Hi! Hey! Today we're going to be doing a soft B makeup tutorial. I'm not going to be talking my nonsense this time. This is going to be an actual makeup tutorial. It's quick and easy. And if you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. I just had my so first, the foundation I'm gonna use is the YSL All Hours foundation in B70. I love the way these foundations smell. It smells like really clean and fresh, and the foundation is amazing too. I love it. My skin is already, oh my god, my skin is already prepped and primed. If you want me to make a separate video on how I do my skincare before my makeup and all that, just let me know. I will make a video for you. Next, I'm going to use my Too Faced Multi-Use Concealer in Warm Sand. Obviously, my favorite concealer right now. Super obsessed with it. You just need like the tiniest amount to give you coverage, even though I'm not applying a tiny amount. But that's just me. Okay. Alright. I'm also going to try this MAC concealer palette in medium deep to highlight. I'm gonna use one of these two right here. I'm gonna use the yellow. I want to go for a bright under eye today. All right, so to contour, I'm gonna use my Milk Flex foundation in Cocoa. Oh yeah, sexy, right? Now let's get to blending. We're gonna blend this sexiness right here. This is what's gonna make you, you know, the contour right here. This is what's gonna transform you into that bitch. So let's blend this confidence in. Really blend it in. So now we're gonna blend out the concealer. So what this concealer is gonna do, if you tired as hell, you tired of waking up in the middle of the night because of your kids, you a busy mom, you an entrepreneur, you're this and this and that, this is gonna wake you up. Okay, so we're gonna apply a little bit of this. We're gonna blend that in so we can wake the up. Boom, look at that, awake, ready to go. Oh wow, I'm really digging this concealer palette. It's really nice. Really nice. It's very lightweight. I love this. And it's very natural too. It doesn't look too cakey or crazy. To set all of that, I'm gonna use my Hourglass translucent powder. I'm gonna use my Hourglass translucent powder with a Real Technique sponge. This is a setting brush. So now we're gonna set under the eye. We're gonna put this all over the face where we highlighted with that concealer. Very pretty. So for powders, I'm gonna use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark and mix it with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Flawless Finish Micro Powder in medium 3. I mixed the two because I like the warmth that the MAC powder gives me. And I'm just gonna put this all over my entire face. Now we're gonna bake with that same Hourglass translucent powder. Ooh, no. Creasing like a motherfucker. This is really gonna help the under eyes from creasing and stuff. It isn't gonna help it completely. It isn't gonna take them away completely because that's just freaking impossible, but you can try. Like the baking, it minimizes it. So see, and my bad areas is like right here, the smile line, and right here. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Should I? Do a little bit right here. So now I'm gonna prime the eyes. I'm using my Born This Way multi-use concealer in Natural Beige. Okay. I'm gonna start, obviously, my favorite palette in the whole world. It's the Natasha Denona Safari palette. I'm gonna go into this shade right here in Aya. This is the Morphe E22 brush, and I'm just gonna put this on the lid a little, like right here. I'm gonna use this one right here, and I'm just gonna pop this on the outer corners. Boom. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Yeah, like just 2 fucking colors. Told you it was easy. Okay, so next, the palette we're gonna use is the Alyssa Edwards, and I'm gonna go in with this white. This is my favorite inner corner highlight color ever. Like, I'm done using shimmers. Matte white is popping. I love it. I really love it. And I'm just gonna do this right here. All right, now we're gonna dust off. We're gonna dust off the powder with another Charlotte Tilbury powder, but in the color medium, number 2. And I'm just gonna take off the baking powder. And next, I completely forgot to fucking contour. I'm wildin'. Okay. My transition for my contour is gonna be the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder in Deep. I'm just like, why doesn't my face look defined? It just looks really powdery. I forgot to contour. And to make it darker, I'm gonna use the Anastasia bronzer in Mahogany. I forgot how much I love this powder before. I forgot how much I love this bronzer, because ever since I bought the Fenty bronzer, yo, that has been my go-to bronzer because it's just so dark and red. So it's like a bronzer and a blush in one. It's so pretty. Like, it's like my favorite bronzer. And I saw this in my drawer, and I'm like, yo, I haven't used this in a long time, so why not use it? All right. Okay, now we're gonna set the face. Damn, did I fuck up my eyeshadow? No. To highlight, I'm gonna use my Dior Face Glow palette with the Morphe M501, and I'm gonna use the gold one today. Oh, I'll mix a little bit with the bronzy one. I'm gonna mix these two. I spit out there. And we're gonna highlight. Damn, this shit is bright as fuck. Hold on a second. I'm gonna do a wing liner, and I'm gonna use my Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner with an angled brush. You see, even I fuck up doing wing liner. Wing liner ain't easy. Like, you literally can't breathe when you're doing liner. I don't like this liner, man. I'm gonna just get the Ella tiene nalga y tetita, nalga y tetita. I'm gonna put a little bit of that liner right here on the lower lash line. Now, to make the eyes a lot bigger, I'm gonna use the Sephora pencil. It's like a beige pencil. Ooh, look, see? I look like an anime. I'm gonna apply some lashes and I'll be right back. The lashes I'm gonna use, they're just some beauty supply lashes. They come, oh, okay, here we go. Here's the thing. They are MV. No, was I bugging? Oh no, they're Velux. Velux, and they come in like a little glittery package like that. I'm all done with the look. I already told you where I got my lashes from. The lip combo that I use are 3 things, like always. I use my NYX lip pencil in Hot Cocoa. On top of that, I use my Fenty Beauty Spanked lipstick. And then on top of that, I use another Fenty lipstick in Thick. So yeah, this was a really simple, easy look. I hope you guys learned something new today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. I don't say this anymore because I just don't, it just slips my mind. It's like whatever, do whatever you want, but leave a comment down below, a beautiful positive comment at that. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys.